Hello again, my name is Jackie the Balloon Guy, and I'm here to teach you another wonderful Christmas design that you can use wherever you twist the balloons. It's a really quick design, fun, and everyone knows exactly what it is when you show it to them. It's simply a candy cane. This is an easy balloon, takes no time to do it at all, and it looks really cute. People love it, and it's a big balloon, so people enjoy getting the larger size balloons as well. And it's a special time of the year, and you've got that nice little festive addition to your repertoire of balloons. And I'm going to show you how to make it now. You're going to need 3 balloons. They're all 260s. We've got the red 260 inflated all the way. Just let out, give it a good burp, which means letting out a little bit of air to make it a little softer. And you're going to need a white 260. Do the exact same thing as with the red balloon. Burp, give it a good burp. And you're also going to need your choice of any of these balloons, or your choice of color. But I'm using a metallic, I don't know what color you call this, a greenish balloon for the bow, and leave about a 4-inch tail, 4-finger tail on it, so that you have room to do the couple twists and the little pinch twist in the middle, and it'll give you that nice softness or extra space that you need for that. So let me get started with the red and white. What we're going to do, we're going to take the ends here, the knots, and tie them together. Actually, you know what? I don't like it tied together. I don't know why I even started it like that. You're going to take on each of the bottoms, do about a 2-inch bubble on each, the red and the white, and twist them together. Then what you're going to do is take the nozzles and hold them while you twist the bubbles around, creating a pinch twist and giving it a nice little end to it, just like this, kind of like fish lips. And of course, you can create a fish by taking it back and twisting it together and giving it a little fish, let the others stand up for a fishtail, but we're not doing a fish tutorial today. Alright, so now what you're going to do, you're going to take your 2 balloons side by side, and this, if you braid hair, not a problem. I don't braid hair. I don't have the hair to braid. I haven't had the hair to braid for quite a while, but it's just simply just spiraling the balloon. You're taking one and wrapping around the other one, using one hand to hold it while the other twists, and just working your way up all the way to the end. And you want it to end right as close together as possible. And if it doesn't wind up like this, because this is probably one of the few times I've actually got it to work this way, and it winds up to this one's like down here, grab it and just kind of give it a tug and stretch the balloon a little bit. Then what you're going to do, you're just going to simply twist them together just like this, just about a 2-finger bubble on each, and just like it's end. So we're not going to worry about doing a pinch twist, but you do want to take one of these 2, it doesn't matter which one, and stick it, roll it through and under to lock this in place. Now once we're here, you're going to take one of the ends. It really doesn't matter which end, but I always use the nipple end, and just going to kind of do a little twist, wrapping it around like this, just kind of massaging it just a little bit, trying to get that shape of a candy cane. It's the hardest part of the whole thing, is trying to get this shape. You wrap it around your arm, give it that little swirl, and after a second or two, you've got your candy cane shape. And you can give it out just like this, just as a candy cane. But I like to decorate it up with a bow to make it a little bit more special. And I'll show you how to do that bow real quick. To make the bow, take your balloon that has the 4-finger tail on it of whatever color you chose for the bow, and leave a 4-finger, make a 4-finger sausage bubble there. Then you're going to take and make a 3 to 4-finger fold twist, and by fold twist it means exactly what it sounds like. 4-finger, oops, fix that. You take the 4 fingers, I'm trying to hold that, and you just fold it over to the side, the 4 fingers that you want it to be, to make just like a flower petal on it. Now I suggest rolling this through the whole of your loop here to lock it in place so it doesn't come loose. It kind of helps it to keep it from driving you crazy later. Now, what you want to do is you want to take a 2-finger, make a 2-finger bubble, and we're going to do an ear or a pinch twist, whatever you want to call it. Add the bubble, fold it down side by side like this. Grab it, pull it, twist it like 2 or 3 times, and you've got the pinch twist here. Now you're going to make another fold twist here, the 3 to 4 finger fold twist, just like so. And you've got what looks like a bow with a missing lower piece here. And we're going to get to that shortly. You should have a good amount of balloon left over. And you're going to take your peppermint candy cane, or you can make it blue and white, make a blueberry candy cane, or a pink one, and whatever colors you choose for your candy cane. Take your candy cane, take your bow, wrap the excess balloon around snugly, not too tight. You don't want it to push in on your other balloon, and then just twist it into the connection behind the pinch twist here to give it your bottom part of your bow. Now, adjust that real quick. And I like for the 2 lower pieces to be about the same size. So I'm going to take and measure it. And then I'm going to take my scissors. I'm going to make a little safety bubble here. My safety bubble, I'm just going to make a little bubble here and hold up here at the top in the twisted area. I'm going to hold it right there. I'm going to take my scissors and I'm going to snip this end. Then I'm going to reach down here to the other twisted end to where I want it to end and hold it while letting the air out there. The safety bubble keeps it from getting out of your hand and going all the way down. Then tie it off like so, and then snip off the excess balloon. Again, I like to have it close to the knot. You don't want to get it too close, because if you cut into the knot part, it's most likely going to come unraveled. And I don't like the big old ugly nozzles here showing. So I'm going to take and snip that the same way. Personal preference. If you like it, leave it. It doesn't make it really any difference. As long as you like it, as long as the kids or whoever you give it to likes it, who cares? No sense in being goofy about it and having to be a perfectionist. But now you've got the ribbon on it, and you've got your candy cane with a little bow, and it makes for a nice little Christmas design, and the kids love it. And it's a decent sized balloon. I mean, I can barely get it in the frame. It's from my waist up to above my head. That's how big these are. And it uses the full size 260s. And they make wonderful, wonderful Christmas gifts. And of course, you can't give it to the kids without having a little fun with the kids. And you can get a little laugh out of them and getting them giggling. And if you get the kids giggling and you're working for tips, you're going to get a good tip. But anyway, my tip for you is to have a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. And I hope you can put this balloon to use. It's not my design. I don't know where I got it from. Probably a book from years ago. But it's something I've been doing at Christmas time. And if this is your design, then thank you. And you can put in the comments and get credit for it. I don't care about credit or anything like that. I look to share as much as I can with other twisters and other people learning to do balloons, and I think others pretty much do the same thing as well, as long as it's not like a huge elaborate design that they sell. And this here is just a basic beginner balloon that some people think is hard, but once you do it a few times, there's nothing to it. Anyway, have a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.